Hey everybody, it's YL with Crypto10x. In this video, I am going to show you guys how to long, how to short on Bitmex, and how to make some money in this bear market because Bitcoin is tanking down. And if you don't know how to make money, shorting is a great way to make money in a bear market. So with Bitmex, it's an application website that lets you short and long with 100 times leverage. So basically, if you have one Bitcoin and you use 100 times leverage, your position could be up to 100 Bitcoins, which would be some crazy profit or a huge loss. So first of all, if you don't have an account, you go to bitmex.com. Well, you can join my affiliate actually. So my affiliate link, as you can see here, I'm getting paid out for people trading and making money on Bitmex. That would help me out for free. If you do have an account already, then just go to bitmex.com. So you can go to deposit right here, and this is your wallet you deposit to and load it with Bitcoin only. So as you can see, I have almost half a Bitcoin in here. We're going to get to the main page right here. Let's wait for the chart. Okay, so I have it on the 5-minute chart. Bitmex provides a chart that you can use. It's a minute or two delayed, so I like opening up a second one and putting it on the 5-minute as well. So I am looking at two charts, and this looks bullish to me, as you can see here. Just kind of a straight line. I think we'll get one more small pump. So maybe let's place a long in here. So first is first, this is where you put in an order. The way Bitmex works is you're buying a contract. Each dollar is one contract. So you can see here I have 0.4625. Let's say we want to put a $1,000 order right now and use, let's say, 3 times leverage. So at normal price, it would cost us 0.1356 for $1,000 position. But if we do 3 times leverage, it's going to cost me 3 times less. So if you're a beginner, I wouldn't suggest trading over 3 times. And then you can start using your way into 5, 10, 25, 50, or 100. It is extremely risky, so watch out and watch it closely. You're not going to go to bed with 100 times leverage unless you just don't really care about your position, or you're just super confident it's going to blow up. But, you know, I can't sleep while I have 100 times leverage. I barely trade that either. So let's start with the calculator. It shows you your profit and loss. It shows you your goal, what you want to get out of the price, out of the trade. So let's say our quantity is $1,000. Our entry price is $74.30, and you think it's going to $7,800. Let's put our leverage at 3. So that's what we'll do. So from $74.30, your profit and loss would be 4.74%. And this is a P&L relative to the minimum equity used to open the position, max leverage 14.22% on one trade. Wouldn't be bad on $1,000. If we use 10,000, you just get more profits. So you can see if we use more leverage, this would get higher because this is multiplied by that. So times 10, 47%, and if we did times 50, 237%. So obviously you see bigger gains when you're using higher leverage, but it is a lot riskier because your liquidation price will be a lot closer to what your entry is. So let's say what liquidation is where you get liquidated and you lose what you put in. So let's make this trade. We're gonna go long with $1,000 at times 5, and let's place that order. Oops, I kind of screwed up. It's way past the price right now, $73.87. It's at $74.32. So you can come to active orders right here and cancel that order. It's just going up to my target. Okay, 74. Okay, so let's put in a market. Basically, this will buy it at market rate. It'll buy any of the orders that are open right now. Let's go $1,000. This is my cost right now. and that's the actual value of it. So I just opened $1,000 order. This is the value in Bitcoin. This is what I actually put in. If you click it, you can add or remove to margin. You see, so this is the liquidation price right here. So if Bitcoin hits 62.17 and it goes lower and trades lower than that, I will lose this position. I'll lose the trade. I'll lose 100% of the trade. So, and then right here, you can see your P&L. So we're down 0.3%, which isn't too bad right now. Let's say you wanted to step away and put in like a market order, or not a market order, a exit price. Sorry about that. If you wanted to put an exit price, you have two ways to do it. You can put a short, so let's say $1,000, and we want to hit 74.85. This is just small gains, so let's just do 75. So that'll cost you nothing because you have 1,000 open. So you're just closing this essentially. Or you can just close it from here. So 74.75 and then close. It'll open an order for you. So you can step away from the computer, you can go to sleep, whatever it is, you'll have an order open. And it'll automatically execute once it hits 74.75. And if it doesn't hit that price, it'll just fluctuate in between, and it'll wait till you get to 62.17, and if it does fall below that, you'll get liquidated and you'll lose the value of what you put into the trade, 0.0271. So we just opened a 5 times margin. You can also see the buy and sell right here on the graph. So we bought here. This is the target, which I think it'll hit. In doing so, we'll make small profits. Let's see, we got in at 74.26. Entry price 74.26. Oops, 74.26. 74.75 is our exit times 5. We'll make a whopping 3%. Any other industry in a day, that's phenomenal. But in crypto, people are looking for 10%, 20%. 100%. But this is just an example. You can put larger positions, you can aim for a lot higher price and whatnot. So it's just a basic guide on how to use Bitmex, how to long, how to short, how to put an order so you can get out of it. Also, I want to show you, if you click this button right here, I don't want to, yeah, there. If we click this button right here, it'll market sell for whatever orders there are right now. So it'll sell at 74.14 at a loss right now. So I'll just show you guys. Let's market sell. So 1,000 contracts of XBT USD at this market closed. And there we have it. So now I'm out of the position. Took a teeny little bit loss, but we are out. So that's basically the basics. Subscribe to our channel if you have any specific questions. If you want to learn about something that you don't know, just put in the comments below. Follow us, subscribe, join our Discord. We're going to be posting a lot more trading opportunities for you guys, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.